Amazon, you order this?
Yeah, man. Amazon.
I should have ordered it on Wish.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Lipton Show.
Shut the hell up!
Clip. Period. Hey. So people, today I have the beautiful, the pregnant. Oh, different one. Me looking at. All right, cut. The beautiful, the extravagant, the strong black woman and soon to be mother, Rakira, aka Kiki She. Yeah, introduce yourself.
You don't know me already. You don't see me yes already. I'm there back again.
Yeah, so people know say our Instagram or social media I got down in the description below. So if you want to follow her on Instagram, go down there. But people, this video will be truth or drink. For you see the title, you don't know. So some people are get exposed to the shit. Yeah, come.
Cerci.
Yeah.
And then it put in a fridge afterwards after it boil and no sugar in there, nothing.
People, you see, what we are drink is not rum because we're underage. So we're drinking raw cerci. The first question is, when was the last time you ball?
To that one. When? No one
To that curfew day, I don't know. Saturday curfew day. So
when?
curfew day.
No, Thursday night. Thursday night. Last night.
The last time me cry was last night because
No.
Last night me
A while
cry.
ago.
Auntie, you exposed me for.
That the video for?
No,
She ball a while ago. Yeah? She ball a while ago.
People, I don't cry. I'm a soldier. I don't cry.
You not cry, you ball.
Crocodile like tears. Alright, what is the most illegal thing you have ever done?
So one time, go for a beach trip, and you know them man they walk around with them something they sell peanut and them something there.
You look at iron something and put the peanut
Yeah,
in.
like my friend that talk to him, and that distract him, and me I pick up the peanut them outside.
Thief! You're a stealer.
No, I just take whatever belong to me.
People, you see this one I gotta tell you no, come closer. You see this one I gotta tell you no, you can't tell nobody. You see it?
At Uno alone,
Uno alone I gotta tell. So people, one time I did work down at the police station.
Wait, make them see the food. No, they eat it out.
So one time I worked on the police station, they left them gun and attended them, I take it up, and then me say, sir, look at me. Me say, sir, look at me. And the man say, no, put it down. And the man, then me put it down, and then the man said, don't tell anybody. None of me say.
We are talking, they never pay we.
Me a talk, because me say, sir, pay me and me don't tell nobody, and him don't pay me, so me a talk. But you don't have to tell nobody. Yeah. So people, the other question is, have you ever given a lap dance? That is a must. You wanna give a lap dance?
Of course.
Alright, the next question is, what is the hardest drug you have ever done?
You know, my dad says second and smoking, but one time, I kind of mad now when I was with me. Like, my mother did have some pill, and I crushed them out. I sniff it.
Yo, you see the fans them are Post Malone.
This is Post Malone.
This is how they behave. That's why if my pit they say them listen which Post Malone. No drug dealer man to the pit them now.
No.
Just imagine you come in at the house. And you see a pit you crush out your metaphorphine. Oh, metaphorphine? Metasurfing? Oh, pill.
Meta something.
Your pill.
Meth. Most meth.
And I crush them out and I sniff it. No man. The hardest drug me ever do.
My mother did smoke with me when me in a belly, so you have to understand my brain kinda
Your brain crash.
Yeah.
Sometimes it does.
Brain crash.
Alright. The
Brain just
hardest,
crash with my sense.
the hardest jug, me ever do a weed. And people, and my auntie them, and my cousin them, and everybody who watch this, and my fault, you know. And my brother,
Peer pressure.
yeah, peer pressure do
Brother
it.
pressure.
And me do it. So my auntie, this is not me. This
This not my real face, so.
what is the dirtiest text you have ever received?
How big of a sip my foot?
One big sip like you take a shot. Take a shot. Take a shot. Mark, set, go. What's your friend? Take it down. It's good.
It can't.
People, cerci is good because it purges the blood. And when your blood is purged, when your blood is purged, good clear skin. We talk about your melanin start pop. Yeah. Alright.
Bitter, still a bitter bad.
Bitter bad. Anything, you see anything we're good for you? It always something.
Not nice.
Not nice.
Except for the vitamin gum them.
That's not good for you. That gives sugar.
No.
Me no know.
Me say vitamin gum, it forgive sugar.
It tastes. It's sweet. Is it sweet?
It tastes like fruits.
I don't know. I never taste no vitamin gummy before.
You never taste vitamin
I be a
gum?
bush tea.
You should have tell me that brings up.
So the other question is, what is something scandalous and sex related? Auntie and me a talk. And I'm Michaela. Alright, what is something scandalous and sex related that you really want to try?
I'm big on we can take a little one like come take a big one. I'll make sure you know some I'm gonna take it.
No man.
You know when your parents used to drench you when you little with medicine. It's best for you.
Alright.
Like a hot shot of white rum and milk.
Jesus! The kulu rum and the junker basina.
Hot shot
No,
of
sir.
milk and white rum man.
Would you ever film yourself in the act?
No. No. No, I wouldn't.
No answer. When was your first kiss? Tell them your first kiss. When was your first kiss? That the first time I ever kiss?
When I come out of belly, my mother kissed me. Yeah, so.
My first kiss was with one little foreign boy.
You go on vacation. Like you go on vacation, something like you go there, you know.
The foreign boy come in like him mother, in granny, they live at Jamaica but she fly out and them come back for vacate at Jamaica. So she bring her grandson with her grandson and her daughter. And many of them play. I know them foreign pit in their force right.
Them yeah,
Them
bad.
force right. So they say, give me a kiss. Be like, kiss? So I'm kissing yourself. So he said, no, on this. I say, you sure?
That's why I'm
Friend.
gonna ask you if a vacation. I see like every time I go with my father, there's this one one little white boy where everywhere we go. One of them just always find me.
And then he said, give me a kiss right
Them
here.
nine.
And then I say, I'm afraid.
Force right.
I'm afraid because I thought that when you kiss, you're going to get pregnant. So I didn't want to get pregnant because I was about 6, 7, 8 them time then. So I didn't want to get pregnant. So I said, no. Let me show you. I said, no. I'm afraid can make pregnant. I mean, I want pregnant. And then he said, no. Like, you know what I'm talking? No. That's rubbish. You don't pregnant that way.
I know that.
Force right. Force right. So the boy, he just kissed me and then me kiss him back. And then, yeah, that's my first kiss.
My mother kissed me first, and my first kiss that. Right, true.
Alright, what body parts of a guy can turn you on?
I don't want to say it, you know. The white piece head. Wait, mom, I'm big and serious. So I'm a big and serious.
Alright, big and serious.
Everything.
Everything
nice.
about him nice.
I love everything about you. Every little thing from your walk to your smile to your something.
What me like about a guy is them have nice teeth. Nice teeth. You take care of your skin.
And you lick no bossy and cranny. You know them good man there with them.
I want him go so. Oh! And me kinda have a thing for wavers. Like if you wave,
You're
brother,
gay.
if you wave,
You're gay.
What?
You're gay if you wave.
What are your pet peeves?
Pants down a body. Them little gangster walk there. And when you always walk with a bag of crowd.
Yeah,
Nah,
antisocial.
them
Fully antisocial. My pet peeves are rotten teeth.
Rotten teeth boy I go.
This ear under him arm, like
Man for shave.
Let me tell you, it not have to be like shaved.
But the one where when your arm drops so you can see the whole of them poke out and stuff.
You know what I not like neither? Sweaty armpits. Like me know a man is going to sweat because he's a man.
Exactly.
But when the arm sweat, they up here so.
You're just full of dirt, cake up. You just cake up with
You can't be with a bitch like me with that. Get yourself straight.
Put it away.
Alright, the last question is, what can a boy do to turn you on? No face, no
Talk
case.
to me nice.
Talk to you nice?
Yeah.
I never for answer. No.
Just talk to me nice. Be a gentleman.
Never for answer.
Me one of them girls when I like bad man. I like
Stop your nice. Don't make expose upon this. I lie. If you
Like
eat that,
gentleman.
my friend know are you.
I like
She
gentleman.
lie, she tell.
I like
Yeah, after you
bad
say, Kiki, come here now.
man. Girl, bye.
She don't want to eat that. It's like she wants you to be respectful, but at the same time, you can't be a nerd.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You know the badness.
We know the badness. So people, before we
You
go,
know drink the something I'm not here to say what in drink. I want to sip that. I want to sip that. You see, if you did just take the big drink and done, you wouldn't have it. I go through so much sip. Make you sick.
so people, before we go, we want to talk about an issue that is affecting Jamaica and that the government needs
to address.
Just Prime Minister, just like how you come on the TV and you address COVID-19.
We're not taking a vaccine. We're not taking a vaccine until domestic violence stop. We're not taking it.
Exactly.
Right.
It's just like you can address COVID-19, you can address domestic violence, child abuse, rape upon a all, rape and killing of the women. It is something that is
And
it a go on in Jamaica, and if you realize,
it doesn't make sense we start a trend where stop women violence, this and that, and nobody not take a stand, nothing not
exactly.
It don't make no sense. And then uno man want post it, uno abuse it too. Every day when I get up and chat about woman at this, woman at that, woman at that, don't think say that abuse, that is verbal abuse. You need to stop it and take it. We need to take it down. If you don't know that verbal abuse woman, then take it down.
For real, men were crying out to you.
How no alone can help?
Exactly, because you're not gonna hear one woman rape a man and kill him and throw him in a one dump.
Well, not we, but a female might rape a man, yes, but
kill him.
No.
It's at a very much minority in the society. Well, I never heard a case of that in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And if you have a friend who have the mentality of a rapist,
Inform Pandaman.
if you have a friend man who has the mentality of a rapist.
Inform on the boy.
You see, you hear my joke. You hear your friend make a little joke. And you say, yeah, that looks suspicious. But you don't say nothing. You see what a person says when they're drunk or when they're laughing sometimes.
That depend
that depend them mind. So you don't need to stand up. You know how a woman feels when a man rape them. You know how them family feel when you get a phone call, so them daughter get raped
and then dead.
Come on, man. You don't have some friend who have some mentality of a rapist and don't need to talk. You don't talk to them or don't report them because them serious.
And then you sit down and justify when them talk. Oh, them junk, my mother tell me say Tom junk, but Tom no fool.
Period. So people, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, turn on the post notification to be notified when I upload another video. And please, men, please love our women. Don't hurt our women. Big up everybody. Where like, comment, and subscribe, but always depend on the channel and support me.
Everybody except for the one them with the raper mentality.
Everybody with the on the channel is a support dipped in chocolate. Me love you bad. Just big up on yourself, love on yourself. Just know say you beautifully and wonderfully made by the Almighty. So just big up on yourself. Bye.